The Aosu Outdoor Security Cameras offer a comprehensive home security solution with its 4-camera kit that eliminates the need for monthly subscriptions, providing peace of mind without hidden costs. Utilizing solar power, these cameras are designed for easy installation and long-term operation, requiring only 3 hours of sunlight per day to remain charged, ensuring reliable performance even in cloudy conditions. With a 360-degree pan and tilt capability, these cameras provide all-around security coverage, automatically tracking and recording any motion within the target area. The system offers an impressive 2000K resolution, ensuring detailed and clear images both day and night, with enhanced color night vision thanks to its powerful LED lights. Aosu's innovative cross-camera tracking feature allows users to relate videos of the same event to cross cameras effortlessly, making it easier to review security footage. The system's home base provides secure local storage for up to 2 months of video loop recording, ensuring data safety even if the cameras are damaged or lost.